Bird's name in Hindi and English. Parrot. Parrot means तोता. Owl. Owl means उल्लू. Bat. Bat means चमगादड़. Crow. Crow means कौवा. Peacock. Peacock means मोर. Duck. Duck means बत्तख. Crane. Crane means सारस. Cuckoo. Cuckoo means कोयल. Hawk. Hawk means बाज. Swan. Swan means हंस. Eagle. Eagle means गरुड़. Sparrow. Sparrow means गौरैया. Ostrich. Ostrich means शुतुरमुर्ग. Vulture. Vulture means गिद्ध. Hen. Hen means मुर्गी. Nightingale. Nightingale means बुलबुल. मैना. मैना means मैना. Partridge. Partridge means तीतर. Quail. Quail means बटेर. Woodpecker. Woodpecker means कठफोड़वा. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.